PromptHero versus FlowGPT versus PromptSea. In this video, I will show you a full comparison between PromptHero, FlowGPT, and PromptSea. We'll talk about what each platform does, their pros and cons, and what they have to offer. So what makes PromptHero unique is that it is an AI art prompt search engine, so you can find thousands of prompts for Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and more. It has a massive database for AI art and great for inspiration. However, it's mostly visual prompts, so not as strong for other text-based tasks, unlike FlowGPT and PromptSea. For FlowGPT, it focuses on ChatGPT and productivity, so users share, rates, test, and examines prompts that helps with coding, writing, and daily tasks. The good thing about FlowGPT is that it has a built-in community ratings and it have wide variety of ChatGPT prompts. However, it can get cluttered with duplicate prompts and somehow become disorganized. For PromptSea, it takes on a different approach. So it's like an NFT style marketplace where you can buy, sell, and even trade the prompts that you have. It lets you monetize the prompts and has a creative marketplace idea. However, it has a smaller user base and some features that it have are behind paid access. So you have limited access to PromptSea. So if you're into AI art, you can go with PromptHero. If you want ready to use ChatGPT prompts, FlowGPT is the best pick. And if you're curious about buying or selling prompts as digital assets, PromptSea might be worth trying. You can use PromptHero or FlowGPT for everyday needs and explore PromptSea if you're interested in monetizing your prompts. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel, and if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments below.